Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Patreon to your US bank via ACH, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Patreon to your US bank account using ACH, first, log into your Patreon account. Navigate to your dashboard by selecting the dashboard option from the menu. Next, locate the payouts section on the left sidebar. Click on payouts to view your available earnings. Select the withdraw button to initiate the process. If this is your first withdrawal, you'll need to set up your payout method. Choose bank transfer from the payout options. Enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with your withdrawal. Review your entries carefully before proceeding. Once everything looks good, confirm your bank details. After that, return to the Payouts section. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your available earnings. Click the Withdraw button to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Patreon typically processes withdrawals within a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the deposited funds. If you encounter any issues, consult the Patreon Help Center for assistance. And that's how you withdraw from Patreon to your US bank account via ACH. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.